ಹಾಯ್ ಹೆಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋ KPSC ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಬಾಯ್ಲರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು MCQsಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ: ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಪುಲ್ವರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಪುಲ್ವರೈಸೇಷನ್? ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ಏರ್, cutting coal into smaller particles, grinding coal into powder, cleaning coal for contamination ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ pulverization means grinding coal into powder. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 is the right answer. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, pulverization refers to the process of grinding coal into a fine powder. This technique is essential in the coal combustion process, especially in thermal power plants, to increase the surface area of the coal particles, ensuring more efficient and complete burning. By converting coal into a powder, it becomes easier to mix with air and ignite, resulting in improved composition efficiency and reduced emissions ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ: IBR directs that the factor of safety of the riveted joint should not be less than 4, 5, 6, 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 5 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 5 ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ set safety standards for the design and construction of boilers, including riveted joints. The factor of safety is a critical parameter indicating the margin of safety in the design. It is the ratio of the material strength to the actual stress experienced during operation. According to IBR, the factor of safety for riveted joints should not be less than 5. This ensures the joint can withstand operational stresses with an adequate safety margin to prevent failure. Next question: which of the following device is a simple heat exchanger in which heat is removed from the air after it has been compressed and its temperature has risen as a result of compression? Option: intercooler, blow down cock, superheater, economizer. Answer is option 1, intercooler. An intercooler is a type of heat exchanger that cools air after it has been compressed, which increases the air density before it enters the next stage of compression or the engine. This cooling process reduces the work required for further compression and enhances the overall efficiency of the system by lowering the thermal load and improving the volumetric efficiency of the engine or compressor system. In next question, the function of which of the following boiler accessories is to recover some of the heat carried away in the flow gases up the chimney and utilize for heating the feed water to the boiler? Option: injector, superheater, air preheater, economizer. Answer is option 4, economizer. In steam boilers, flow gases carry significant amounts of heat away through the chimney. An economizer is a boiler accessory designed to capture and transfer this waste heat to the feed water before it enters the boiler. By preheating the feed water, the economizer reduces the fuel consumption needed to bring the water to the boiling point, thereby improving the overall efficiency of the boiler system. This process also helps in reducing thermal stress in the boiler by gradually increasing the feed water temperature. And next question: which of the following is the boiler accessory not the boiler mounting? Fusible plug, blow down cock, pressure gas, air preheater. Answer is option 4, air preheater. And next question, supercritical boilers are fire tub boilers, water tub boilers, a combination of both fire and water tub boilers, once through boilers. Answer is option 4, once through boilers. Next question, which of the following is not a water tub boiler? Stirling boiler, Cornish boiler, Leffler boiler, Lamont boiler ಹೇಳಿದರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2, Cornish boiler. Next question, in a locomotive boiler the draught is produced by chimney, an induced draught fan, steam jet, centrifugal fan ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3, steam jet. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect about the fire tub boiler? Load fluctuation cannot be handled. These are operated at high pressure up to 250 bars. The hot flow gases pass through the tubs and water surround them. They are bulky and difficult to transport. So incorrect. So answer is option 2. These are operate at high pressure up to 250 bars. Next, a fusible plug must be used primarily for safety purposes in which of the following types of boilers? Oil fired boilers, high pressure, fire tub, marine type ಹೇಳಿದರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3, fire tub. Next question, equivalent evaporation is defined as the amount of water evaporated from. Answer is 14. Answer is option 4, 100 degrees Celsius to dry and saturated steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Next question, The function of a steam trap is the function of a steam trap is answer is option 4 to automatically drain away the condensed steam from the steam pipes steam jackets without permitting it to escape. Next question, which of the following is not true with regard to an economizer in a steam boiler? Answer is option 4, it produces superheated steam. Next question, the number of helical springs used in a spring loaded safety valve is answer is option 1 or any one. And next question, in which boiler is forced circulation of water required? Answer is option 2, Benson.